Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how do I create classes and objects in Python. In Python, classes are created using the class keyword. An object is an instance of a class. To create an object in Python, you use the class name followed by parentheses. Here is an example of creating a simple class and object in Python. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, we define a class person with two attributes, name and age. We use the special method __init__ to initialize these attributes. The self parameter is a reference to the object being created. We create an instance of the person class by calling it with the arguments name and age. We assign the resulting object to the variable person1. We can access the attributes of the object using the dot notation. Note that the self parameter is required in all method definitions within a class. It represents the instance of the class and allows you to access its attributes and methods. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.